Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna create for you the Oliveto. And this drink requires olive oil. We have used many types of different alcohols, even spices, even cayenne pepper. We have even laid things on fire, but never olive oil. What is this, becoming a cooking channel or something? Nah, none of that. But imagine next time you go to the supermarket, you bring olive oil in a whole bunch of different liquor bottles. Your girl's gonna be like, what's going on? What kind of thing are you gonna create for me? It's a surprise, girl. Alejandro taught me how to make it. So if you guys are interested, or gals, on how to make this drink, make sure you stay tuned. All right, so we get both of our shakers now, boom. Start off with 1 egg white. So let's crack this thing open. I'm gonna use my method. Just taking the top of it off. I think it's the easiest way. And you might wanna leave it outside for a couple of minutes. I don't know if your fridge freezes your eggs, mine does, so I leave mine out for a couple, like 10 minutes or so. Next thing we're gonna need, here's a lemon. We're gonna need 1 ounce of this right here. There you go. Follow up by 1/4 ounce of orange liqueur. Next thing, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. It's crazy, it doesn't even have smell. Not really, at least. Follow up by olive oil. It's crazy. Can't believe, it's actually a pretty good drink, you guys. I'm gonna use just 1/2 ounce of olive oil. It's actually healthy too. Good for the heart. And it gets you tipsy as well. Hey. Doctor, next time you go, how's your health improving? Oh, those Olivetos. Follow up by 1/2 ounce of liqueur 43. It tastes like vanilla, smells like vanilla as well. So boom, why not throw it in there? Next thing you're gonna need is 2 ounces of dry gin. I go with this one, it was on sale. And of course, the bigger the bottle, the better it is for me. Less times I have to go to the supermarket. Oh shit, well, I spilled a little bit. I guess I'm getting too excited here. Disinfecting the floor, And then we're gonna do a dry shake, you guys. Ooh, that's so strong. All right, next thing we're gonna need is our ice cubes. Got a couple of them over here. All right, well, I'm gonna need 1 more. Thank you, sir. Boom, don't worry, guys. I washed my hands yesterday. And now we get to the shaking. I'm gonna get frostbite, guys. Woo! I break the seal, open it up. Remember, don't stop to get the condensation. Get your strainer over here. Get your cup over here inside. Bam, pour that right in. Look at that frothiness of the goodness. Hey guys, usually you would chill your glass, put it in the freezer, but I want you guys to actually see the drink and how beautiful it looks. Next thing we're gonna do is get our garnish. Some little olives from Spain, why not? Boom. Maybe 4 of them, why not? I really don't like olives by themselves like this, but on a pizza, delicious. I'm craving the pizza from Peter Piper, the works. After this, I'll get a slice of pizza, why not? Put it right on top. Bam, look at that. Beautiful, you guys. You smell it, then we taste it. So good, you guys. And it's healthy because it has olive oil. All right, guys, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any drink out there you want me to create for you, just drop it down in the comments down below. This is Alejandro from Alejandro The Mixologist. Thanks for watching.